Alright, so the last few days I've just been skydiving, so I haven't really been doing anything. I did do the hiking yesterday, and today I'm doing laundry, as you can see. So, let's get this shit clean, baby. Let's clean it. Lavender fields are really pretty. One section is prettier than the others because they allow you to cut the lavender here. So most of it is pretty barren in the beginning, of course, but the further back you go, the more purple it is, but there's a ton of people back there cutting. And then right in front of me over there is where the actual lavender fields are. So I'm gonna go over there probably last to take pictures. I'm just gonna relax and wander around for a bit. My wristband permission. You get 2 bags and you can get a pair of scissors and you fill up 2 of the bags and they make lavender essence for you, or you can take the flowers home. Just found this out, so I am going to go cut a bunch, fill up both these bags and just get the essence because I can't use the flowers. Doesn't make any sense, right? After about 30 minutes, maybe 45. This is the fruit of my labor, people. Just chopping down the whole goddamn forest out here. Just get a little bit of lavender scent. Yeah. Yeah, if I didn't have to rush, this would have been more fun, but I am on a time crunch, and they said it takes about a half an hour to process this. I just wanted to say, the lavender ice cream is delicious. So once you get into the field, it's $6 and it's delicious.
Are you maybe 40 minutes late? Yeah, I was really able to be your name around here. Okay, thank you so much.
So I got my bag, and then inside it, there's 2 of these little guys, and let me tell you, it smells like lavender. Lavender. Bye.